You know you want to. Oh, there you go. Oh, over here. Come on. I saw you wanting to
Well, play with him on the bed.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh.
Come on. I just saw you try to play. Oh. Oh, it's over here.
Well, pet him if he wants a pet.
Oh, I saw that. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Is that it away? No, Rafiki, you caught it. No, you gotta let go now, mister. We can play again. There. Ooh. Are you gonna get it? Oh, not that part. You're supposed to get the feather part. Not the string. You want the feather. You're a string kind of man? You like the string instead? Oh, I saw you pick up that feather. Oh, you got it. Want to play again? Oh! You don't want to let it go. No, you don't. Let's play again. Oh. It's over here.
Okay, I think that's enough.